in the silent void between the stars, where light forgets to shine and time bends like smoke, a monster waits. It is not alive, it does not breathe, yet it consumes with an appetite the universe has no name for. A black hole. Once, it was a star, a titanic engine of fusion, blazing millions of times brighter than our own sun. For billions of years, it burned with relentless fury until its fuel ran dry. In its final moment, the balance between gravity and pressure collapsed. The star imploded under its own weight, and in that violent, final breath, a singularity was born. A place where gravity becomes absolute, where space folds in on itself, where time stretches, slows, and finally halts. At its center lies the event horizon, an invisible boundary. Anything that crosses it never returns. Not light, not time, not even the memory of what was. This particular black hole lies in the heart of a distant galaxy, 55 million light-years from Earth, known as M87. Its core hides a behemoth, 6.5 billion times more massive than the Sun, a gravitational titan, spinning at near the speed of light. The forces here are beyond comprehension. Space itself is being twisted, wound into a funnel of chaos. Surrounding this void is a luminous disk of matter, stars, gas, even other black holes, all caught in the fatal spiral. This is the accretion disk. It spins with such ferocity that it heats to millions of degrees, glowing in X-rays and radio waves. It is the black hole's only voice, the last scream of matter before it's torn apart. Captured by the Event Horizon Telescope, this ghostly ring of fire was photographed in 2019. The image stunned the world, a bright halo of light surrounding a shadow, the silhouette of the unknowable. But even this image was not of the black hole itself, only the absence it leaves behind. A black hole. It is not a hole. It is a pit in space-time, a distortion, a tear. Imagine stretching a rubber sheet with a heavy ball. Now imagine that ball is so heavy, so dense, that it rips right through the fabric. That is what a black hole does to everything around it. But what lies beyond the event horizon? Physics breaks down. Space folds infinitely. Time collapses. Some believe it leads to a singularity, a point smaller than a grain of sand, holding mass without volume. Others whisper of wormholes, gateways to other universes, or parallel realities. But these are theories. At the event horizon, knowledge ends. And still, black holes shape the universe. They regulate star formation. They sculpt galaxies. They destroy and they create. Without them, the universe might be quiet. Too quiet. Our own galaxy, the Milky Way, harbors one. At its heart sleeps Sagittarius A*, a supermassive black hole 4,000,000 times the mass of our sun. Right now it slumbers, but if it ever awakened with fury, entire solar systems could vanish. Yet from Earth we are safe. For now, black holes are not villains. They are nature, unfiltered, extreme, mysterious, necessary. They remind us how little we truly know, and how much more there is, waiting in the dark.